Unpack, oven ready, a slice of English you can use. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to cook up some knowledge about a tasty phrase you might have heard, oven ready. It's a term that's as handy in the kitchen as it is in everyday English conversation. So, let's preheat our learning and get started. Remember, understanding phrases like this is crucial to sounding fluent and natural in English. When you hear the word oven ready, think of your oven at home. Anything that's oven ready is prepared to go straight into the oven to cook. No extra steps like marinating or mixing, it's all done for you. This term is most commonly used for food that has been prepped up to the point of cooking. You'll often find oven-ready meals in supermarkets, labeled for convenience and quick cooking. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Oven-ready has stretched beyond the kitchen and is often used metaphorically. It means something is ready to go, with no extra preparation needed. For example, if someone says their business plan is oven-ready, it means it's fully prepared and can be implemented immediately. Let's roll up our sleeves and practice using oven-ready. You can say, I bought an oven-ready lasagna for dinner, which is a direct and simple application. But for a figurative use, you might express, after weeks of work, our presentation is now oven-ready, implying it's ready to be presented without any additional work needed. Remember, using phrases like these in their correct context is key to mastering English. Interestingly, oven-ready can also reflect today's fast-paced, convenience-oriented world. It embodies the value of speed and readiness in modern life. Whether it's about fast food or quick solutions, being oven-ready appeals to those who value efficiency and immediate results. And that wraps up our savory lesson on oven-ready. I hope you find this phrase useful, whether you're cooking up a meal or a conversation in English. Stay tuned for more English language tidbits that will help spice up your language skills. Happy learning, and remember, practice is the secret ingredient to becoming fluent.